Good morning, everybody. We are coming to you live from Sedgefield. This is our lucky draw moment. I'm Jess. It's Minette.
Hi everyone, I'm so excited. I'm the goosies.
So let's see who's going to win the GoPro. We've got our whole team over here. We all work remotely. How's the team? Everybody's rooting for their clients to win. So let's see. Okay, Minette, shuffle that up and pick a number. We've got 122 entries this month.
All right.
So let's see what
It's
number we
been
got.
drawn. Let's see. We've got, oh wow, number 103.
103. Let's have a look. Who's
Who's
number
that,
3?
Jess?
Come and have a look.
All right, let me have a look, guys.
Okay, let's pull up the numbers.
Number 103. I'm so excited. Yeah. There you go. Let's see. Who's 103?
Scroll down.
Oh.
And up a bit.
Erica Lee.
Erica Lee. Okay, go back to the team. Anybody got an Erica Lee?
Everyone's
Hi,
looking.
these times, I think.
Erica.
Lee.
Erica.
I think he muted us.
Erica, super huge congratulations.
Well done.
GoPro coming your way.
Super excited, Erica.
Well done.